What if I told you there's an AI tool that can help beginners create professional work, and people are already paying for it? No coding, no design background, and no scams. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're curious about AI, but you're not sure where to start. Maybe you've seen people talking about AI online. Maybe you've heard about earning with AI. But most of it feels confusing or unrealistic. So in this video, I want to slow things down and explain one simple AI tool that beginners can actually understand and use as a practical skill. No hype, no shortcuts, just a clear explanation. Let's talk about something very real. Businesses need presentations all the time. They need pitch decks, proposals, and simple PDFs. But here's the problem. Most people are not good at creating presentations. They don't enjoy it, and they don't want to spend hours on it. At the same time, hiring a professional designer is expensive. So businesses look for a simple solution. This is where opportunity comes in. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need advanced skills. You just need basic understanding, clean presentation, and clear structure. And AI tools make this much easier. You are not replacing designers. You are helping people who need something simple, fast, and affordable. The AI tool I'm talking about is called Gamma AI. Gamma helps you create presentations, documents, and pitch decks. Instead of building everything from scratch, you simply tell the AI what you want. The AI then organizes the content, creates the layout, and gives you a clean starting point. Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine a small fitness business that wants a pitch deck. Normally, this would take a lot of time. With Gamma, you type a simple instruction like, create a pitch deck for a fitness coaching business targeting US clients. Within seconds, Gamma creates multiple slides: introduction, problem, solution, pricing, and call to action. You then make small edits, change text, and personalize it. Now let's connect this to earning. You are offering a service, not software. Your service could be presentation creation, proposal PDFs, or simple pitch decks. Your clients could be startups, freelancers, or coaches. They pay you because you save their time, you simplify their work, and you deliver something usable. As a beginner, you don't need to aim too high. Even charging $30 to $50 per project and completing a few projects each week can slowly build a side income. This is about learning, improving, and building confidence. A few important reminders. Don't send AI work without reviewing it. Don't promise things you can't deliver, and don't try to serve everyone. Pick one type of client, do clean work, and be honest. AI is not about replacing people. It's about helping beginners start. If you want prompts, simple examples, or next AI tools, comment Gamma below. And if you're interested in more AI for beginners videos, subscribe to the channel.